Hello, everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I want to start by saying that I am not a financial advisor. I do not provide financial advice. This is for entertainment purposes only. If you are looking for somebody to talk to you that everything is fine, that we are going to go to the moon in 2022, this is not the channel for you. Okay. I'm trying to be as realistic as possible. Like I say, I am not a financial advisor. This channel is to record my investment moves and to put it out there to the public. I want to record publicly to see if a poor person can become rich by investing in the stock market and crypto market. As of now, I want to talk about one of my assets, which is Dashcoin. Why I invested in Dashcoin? Dashcoin is one of those old um, current cryptocurrencies, digital currencies used all over the world. South America use Dashcoin a lot, and they use it all over the world. Send money, receive money, everything you can do with Dashcoin. Um, so I want to start by saying, I want to start by talking about the current price. The current price right now is $44 with 22 cents, with a 0.53% up. The lowest has gotten to $43.88. The highest is $44.71. The market cap of this coin is 482,695,000 741, subject to change. The fully diluted market cap is 835,753,649, with a volume of 62,762 $18, with a 15% down in the volume. A circulating supply of this asset so far is 10,915,835.68 dash at 58%. They have more room to grow apparently, with a maximum supply of 18,000. Sorry, 18 million. I don't know why I say 18,000. 18,900,000, with a total supply of 10,915,836. So we are at 58% circulating supply, and with roughly 7 million to go. So, um, yeah, somewhere around 7 million. So, now I just want to talk about how Dashcon has performed in the past year. Past year, we are bearish in this crypto. This asset is still bearish, with potential of losing more ground. But the good thing is that so far we have a support line in the 40,000. As it indicates in here, is that this support line, this crypto been holding um, since June. You know, since June, been holding these support lines. June 2022, in the $40 per coin, all the way to August. Actually, I'm gonna start in, since June 13 mark. It's been holding this support line with it's trying to rebound. It's trying to go turn positive. The thing is that I do not know how it's gonna perform if the United States Fed, increases to 100 basic point, which is 1% interest rate in loans. So if they increase to 100 basic points, I feel like the market is going to panic as broad. Everyone, stock and crypto, is going to panic, and there's going to be more sell off from these projects. Um, but from these digital assets. But we will see this week. I think this week is when Mr. Powell is gonna do the he's gonna talk about it and see if he increases to 1%, 100 basic points. That happens, we could have a lower price for Bitcoin Cash, and if he holds that position, it indicates a very a fantastic, for me, it's gonna be a fantastic support line in the $40 per share with high possibility of rebound. So at this moment, it's gonna be right now. It's probably some analysts are saying that this is a sale, but most likely, uh, for me, my assets, I think that it's time for me to buy more. I'm gonna be buying more at these prices because uh, as I can see right here, since 2021, this project is going nothing but down. See, 2021, and then when he found this, when I arrived to these levels of $40 per share, he holds. So because I am not a day trader, I'm not looking for a, a more advanced chart, because I'm not day trading. I'm looking for assets in the long term to acquire some positions in those assets for long term, and strengthen my portfolio so I can take some profits in the long term, not in the short term. Now, in the short term, definitely, I just gonna go for the 7 weeks. Definitely can see that in the 7 weeks is still risky, but touching at the lines of $43, there is a probability of making money when we go to the month. Here it is $42, and then you rebound to 50. So there is a $10 possibility of profitability in the short term, in the month period. Like if I were to invest per month, I will definitely be looking at these prices right here, and this indicates a buy, right? But the problem is that we have we have um, um, bad sentiment in the market, and with the Feds increasing interest rates, it definitely it impacts everybody, and we could see a lower price. And so what I mean that the $40 support line is being threatened right now for me, you know. Like I say, I am not a financial advisor. I do not provide financial advice. This is not for financial advice channel. Like I am not a financial advisor. Do not invest how I am investing, because you are going to lose all your money. I am not responsible of anyone's money besides my own. I take my own decisions when it comes to my money. You should do the same thing for yours. So when it comes to my investment right here, I think that this 44 dollars this week is gonna be trend. You know, it's gonna be trend by by the increase. We could have an increase 1% interest, and that definitely will affect everyone. What does that mean in the long term? I mean, in the long term, it doesn't mean nothing if this price goes down, because this project is nowhere to. It's not gonna disappear. And the last time this project hit very low numbers, right? If I go to the all time lows, I don't know if it is gonna mark, but I gonna try. You know, the all-time lows for this project is, yeah, the all-time lows is in the 40s. So we are in the all-time lows. You know, you are not blind. You can come to Coin Market Cap, and try. Sorry for everybody who is disabled, but if you are disabled, it's kind of I don't know a website that I can help you with, but over here you can definitely see that um with this asset, the all-time lows is in the $40, so we are in the all-time lows right now, you know and so if it goes down, let's say if it goes down to like, not even, I heard somebody said that it's gonna go to like 15, $16. It's gonna be uh, historical. It's gonna be historical for this project, honestly, if it goes lower than the support line, because it's been holding these levels since 2019. Since 2019, it has gotten this level, and the highest one it was because of the massive Venezuela. Everything started with Venezuela. Venezuela adopted this asset, and they mounted their there was a saying back then that Venezuela was using um, Dogecoin to as a form of currency. When their currency crashed. So, and that's the crypto that they elected, Dogecoin, to be form of currency. Then they use Bitcoin, and now they have Bitcoin, Litecoin. But these three currencies right here, Dashcoin, Bitcoin, and Litecoin, because you only see in one, but I am telling you the other two, Litecoin and Bitcoin. Yeah, they are the world's favorite, followed by Bitcoin Cash. You know, um, so if I were to, pick my top five cryptocurrencies, will be Bitcoin, Litecoin, Dash, Bitcoin Cash, and Monero. You know, and if I were to pick my top 10, that would be Ethereum. Um, um, XRP right now have this lawsuit until they clear the lawsuit. I don't. There is no way. So everything goes here. You see, Bitcoin, Ethereum. These stable coins, I don't trust them. I do not trust any stable coins because I do not believe that one USDT is equal to $1. That means that they have to represent the same asset based on the bank account that they have. Nobody gonna come to me and tell me no, that doesn't work that way. No, so that means that this value is fake. If you don't have the same amount that you have circulating supply right here, you don't have it in dollars, it doesn't mean anything to me. And where is the proof? These people need to start showing some paperwork, honestly, because I'm pretty sure they do not have those $67 billion available in there. But I'm just saying. So I do not trust any stable coin. Um, then wrap Bitcoin. I don't know what this is and why it have the same value of the original Bitcoin. Because over here with this Bitcoin, there is a big campaign pushing this, from hedge funds, banks, you know, legislators, influencers, everybody is pitching it to for Bitcoin to be at these prices and to reach even higher prices than what we're seeing right now. There is a major push. So why this project in here have the same price of Bitcoin? Yeah, it's a hard fork of Bitcoin, but that don't mean anything to me. And it's the same thing. The same thing is go to the hard fork of Ethereum. Not this one. This one is more believable. But the other one that is somewhere around here, um, to me that's fake. You know, another one that I like is Hadera. Hadera, they are not a they are not a blockchain. They operate on a different form of how they, how they distribute data after getting authenticated on a consensus algorithm. But it's kind of it's fun through USD. I don't believe any of these coins, to be honest. They do not have. They need to show the paperwork. That's why I really want the SEC to take a look at all of this, because the real value of cryptocurrency is not the market. It's not this. Global crypto market cap is. It's not. This is not it. We all know that. But anyway, so the safest place for me to keep my investment is on Bitcoin, you know, Dash, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, you know, those are Monero, you know, and cryptocurrency trading platforms like Kronos, Binance, you know, because they are the ones actually that is make that everybody's able to make money because of these crypto exchanges. So that's how it is, honestly. Neo is another of my favorite, and it's been very low. You know, I haven't make a video of Neo, but I will definitely do. But anyways, I think I'm deviating, so I'm just let me go back to what this was about. Um, 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 Dashcoin, right? I said Dashcoin, so let's go back to Dashcoin. Go back to Dashcoin. So Dashcoin right here, this price is all times low with a probability of going down. I think if it goes lower, I definitely gonna buy more. Definitely gonna buy more. So I'm trying to be honest, trying to be to myself. I'm trying to be honest to myself and not to be um 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 living in dreams that this is gonna go up this year. There's no the, how the market is right now is rough and just surviving all of these mess is a plus to me, honestly. you know it's a plus to me surviving everything and holding my asses for in better days. For now it's just collecting and trying to build a strong portfolio. um I'm trying to make sure that I might have some some losers, but I'm trying to make sure that I get more winners than losers. But we will see at the end of the day. Litecoin is one of my favorite, and at this price, it's all time lows from 2019. I do not believe it's gonna go to $15. It could go to 35, but this is a very strong support line, man. You can see in the whole year, like it's been holding for months. And the only way this is gonna break is if we will have some type of catastrophe, a depression, something big, So mm, that's where I stand, and that's what I believe. Tell me what you believe. Please subscribe, like the video if and I'm not here. I'm not gonna be celebrating and saying, "Yeah, we're going to the moon." When reality is like we are facing a depression or recession. A recession or depression. And the Feds are about to increase it to 1%. So hey, come on, man. Let's be more realistic. Anyways, have a nice day and let's